Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. This time I'm going to show you how to make IntelliJ IDEA look really awesome. So a lot of you have been watching my videos and asking me what do I use to make my IntelliJ IDE look really good. And there's a few things that I use. I use a custom color scheme for the middle part right here, like the white part. And then I also use a plugin to do the outside part. So I'm going to show you how to make it look really good. So currently I don't have the thing applied. I took it off. So this is like the default theme for IntelliJ. Of course, the middle is white and the outside is dark. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to make it look really awesome. So let's do it. So File and go to Settings. And the first thing we want to do is install a few plugins. So go to the Marketplace and then go to and search Material. And the first thing you want to install is Material Theme UI. And that'll be the outside part that we're going to make look really nice. And then also install Atom Material Icons. And that'll make your icons here look really cool too. So after that, just click Apply and then click Restart IDE. Okay, so already it's looking pretty cool. We got the darker theme applied on the outside here. And what I want to do first is go to File and then go to Settings and then go to Appearance and Behavior, then go to Appearance. And the first thing we can do is change the font and the font size for the outside part here. So if you want to change the outside size, you can change it from 16 or whatever the default is to whatever you want. My preference is 16. And then also by default, you will have a different font here. It's not Jetbrains Mono by default, but Jetbrains Mono is a custom font offered by the IntelliJ or Jetbrains. So you can select this one. It looks really cool on the outside. So if you want that one, you can select it. If you want a different one, you can select it. So it's up to you how you want to make this look for the font, okay? And then after that, then go to the theme here. And you might not have the darker theme on by default, but if you do not, change to darker here. And this will apply the outside part to look dark like this. And after that, let's go down to, what else do we want to do? Let's click OK. Then go to Tools, then click or hover over Material Theme, then Panel Options, and make sure that the Toggle High Contrast option is selected so it looks much darker than it would by default, okay? So mine's already selected, so make sure yours is selected also. And so now what I want to do is show you how to make the color scheme, which is the middle part, look really good too. So go to File, Settings, and then go to Editor, and then go to Color Scheme, and then go to here. And by default, you'll have the material darker one because that's the outside part, so it also applies it to the middle part. But we want to import my custom color scheme. You don't have to, obviously, you can do whatever you want, but that's what I'm going to do. So import scheme, IntelliJ IDEA color scheme, and then on my desktop, I have it saved here. It's called Autumn, or I renamed it to Cody Theme, so click OK, and that applies the theme, so click Apply. And now it's been applied. So here we got the theme, which matches with the outside part, and it has very vibrant colors, which is really cool in my opinion. So y'all can download this one too. I left it in my resources channel in the Discord community. And if you're not in my Discord community, by the way, then click the link in the description below so you can check it out. And anyway, so go to resources and then scroll up a little bit, and then you see it right here. It's called autumn_walk.icls. And then just click the download button here, and that will download it for you, okay? So put that on your desktop and then import it just like I did right now. And you're pretty much good to go from there. So what else you can change? You can change the font size here if you want to. So you can change it to be whatever you want. You can also change it to be Jetbrains Mono. Alright, so that's it for this video. Now you know how to make IntelliJ look really awesome and sexy. And of course you can apply this to your other Jetbrains IDEs, like if you're using CLion for C++ development, or PyCharm for Python development, or WebStorm for web development. You can use any of these. You could do the same thing for any of those, is what I mean to say. So you can import the color scheme and install the plugins just like you did for this one for any of those, okay? So you can make it look really nice. And that's it. So if you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and peace.